What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 16.9, down 0.02 on the day. Sitting market cap of 324 billion. 24-hour volume 12.96 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget or Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses on Bitget. Up to $30,000 in bonuses over here on Bybit. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So just a little bit of sideways price action for BTC. So it does look like a nice 1-2-1-2 setup, which is common within a wave 3. And then we would be looking to push up in a wave 3, wave 4 pullback and see that final wave 5 to complete the wave 3 in green, wave 4, wave 5, which would complete that wave 2 pullback that we've been looking at here. Now, the alternative scenario is the ending diagonal that I've been talking about, where we'd be pushing up in a wave B, which is something to be a little bit cautious about, because if we were to just break down here, you could count that as a wave B and then pushing down in a wave C. So we'll have to see how that plays out. I am more looking for this wave count to push to the upside and to play out in a wave 2 pullback. But if we were to break down from here, then it would be more likely that we're looking at this ending diagonal for the price of Bitcoin. As you can see, if we do push up, we'll push right up to that level of resistance, potentially get rejected, and then see continuation down. In my opinion, even if we do break out a little bit to the upside, we can even come up and break this high and still be putting in a wave 2, as I mentioned here. If we were to come up and break 18.4K, then all I'd be looking at is you're looking at a larger, let me zoom out so it makes more sense for anybody who's new to the channel. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, so potentially all you'd be looking at if we did break that high is a larger wave 2 pullback, which could push all the way up to about 20.8K. So as you can see on this chart here, if that were to take place, and price could push all the way up into this range and still break down. I do think we will see continuation to the downside to about 10 to 13K. We'll have to see how it plays out. I mean, these coins look like they're getting pretty exhausted down here, and there's not much more room to sell off, in my opinion. But 10 to 13K is your next strong level of support, unless we can push back up, hold this level of support once again, and begin to consolidate right above the 18K range, where we previously held support. A lot of support in this area would be much better even to get back above the point of control at about 19.2. And if we consolidate there, it might be a reason to start to flip a little bit bullish. But it's early. We're not even in January yet, and I don't think the market will start to bottom out until about April, May of 2023, as I've been mentioning. DXY still consolidating. Looks like it's tightening a little bit here in this triangle, in this wedge pattern, so just keep an eye on that. Nothing too much exciting is happening, pretty slow. I mean, it's the holiday season, so you can't expect a really volatile price action, but hopefully we see some movement pretty soon. And what I'm looking at is a potential 1-2-1-2 pushing up into 3. Now, this can be invalidated if we were to break that previous low. I'm wondering if you could look at a leading diagonal, like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, come back in a 4, push up in a 5, maybe. But as of right now, we'll just watch this 1-2-1-2 setup, especially if we were to come down and break this low, 16.7, that would be quite negative for the price of Bitcoin. We'll see if we can see a push up during New York hours today. All right, guys, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays. Only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.